Hello my gorgeous little pumpkin pies out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Bree and I am just a crazy lover of all things makeup, all things glittery, and I like to post a lot of makeup content. I like to create a lot of colorful makeup looks. So if those are things you like to watch, then please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. I would love to have you here. But in today's video, I'm going to create a fun, shimmery, colorful look with the new Nomad Cosmetics Home for the Holidays palette, and we are going to have some fun, get into the holiday spirit, do some swatches, and I will let you know what I think about this palette. So if you are interested in seeing and hearing all of that, then keep on watching. Alright babes, can you believe it? It's about to be Thanksgiving and I am not even ready yet. Like, my mind is still like waiting for the year to start and the year is almost over. I don't know if any of you guys are experiencing that, but I am just in a weird place right now. I don't feel very holiday-ish. Now I've been, decorating for like autumn and fall and all that, but I haven't listened to like any Christmas music, no Christmas movies, no Christmas decor, and a lot of my neighbors already have their Christmas decorations up and I'm like, what? We haven't even had Thanksgiving yet. I'm not even there yet, but it is what it is. A lot of people like Christmas. We tend to skip over Thanksgiving, but I'm taking it easy, okay? I'm not gonna rush the holidays because I really love Thanksgiving. And I thought in today's video, we could create a fun holiday kind of glam look that would work for Thanksgiving, maybe would work for Christmas, and do it all with this Nomad Cosmetics Home for the Holidays palette. I think it's so beautiful. This is their first time doing a holiday palette. It is limited edition. This is $32. It's still available on their website, so you can only get it from Nomad's website. And it is a 9-pan palette. And the cool thing about this is they're donating 5% of the proceeds to the Humane Society of Dallas County. So I love that they're giving back, but they're really good overall at giving back to the community. And they are just a fun brand. They base a lot of their stuff on destinations. It's a couple that loves to travel, so they made makeup that is inspired by the places that they've been, and this destination is home, which I think is such a cute thing because we love to travel, we love to go out there, but there's no place like home and your own comfort. So I love that that was the destination for this holiday palette. It was just such a creative little idea. But this is what it looks like up close. It's super glittery packaging, what I love, but it doesn't have the glitter come off at all. So I appreciate that, and it is textured. Feels so fun and glittery. And this is what the back looks like, and then this is what it looks like inside. So this is a predominantly shimmer palette, but it's that time of the year where we love to bust out shimmers and get all extra glittery and shiny. There is one matte down here, and then the rest are these really sparkly foiled metallics. I think the only one that's slightly different is this red one. It's more of a creamy, opaque formula. It doesn't have too much sparkles in it. These are a little bit more textured, but all of them are beautiful. And I thought, hey, let's do some quick live swatches and then go into the look because it's not that big. And I want you guys to see how beautiful these shades are. They're so sparkly and intense. Such a wonderful formula. Look at that. I just want you guys to actually see it firsthand and how they swatch. So reflective and intense and beautiful. And then I'll do the next row. They were inspired by, the Christmas lights and just, when we're in this time of year, we like to get extra glamorous and extra sparkly and stuff. So it makes sense that this is how it's set up to be mainly shimmers. And then the last row, and that one deep black matte. I can always appreciate a deep black matte in a palette. And then there is the last 3 shades. And that's a nice, very soft black matte. But these are the stunning shades. I will do a little zoom in clip of all the shades. Just look how beautiful this is. Look at that. Look at that shine, reflection. Hopefully you guys can see the little shimmer specks. But these shades are so pretty. Some of their most foiled shades I've seen ever from Nomad. So we got up close and personal with those swatches. And I'm really excited to try to create a look and have it mainly be shimmers. Now for me, this would really be an accent palette. I'd probably pull in mattes when I'm usually using it, but I want to concentrate just using this palette so we can just play with the stuff in here. So I'm trying to do a holiday glam look. So hopefully I can achieve that. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in really quickly so I can create a look. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the red in here. This beautiful metallic red. Look how it picks up on the brush. And I'm gonna, I guess, kind of use it like that is the matte. I'm gonna use it all in the outer corner, but do you guys see? That's such a beautiful shimmer. Now I'll probably have a little bit of fallout because I'm using a metallic like a matte, which usually we don't do, but you know what? I do not mind having shimmers through the crease. I know a lot of people don't do that, or like there's a rule you can't, but you can. You can do all shimmer looks if you want. You can do whatever you want. So I'm just gonna use that through the crease like it was a matte, and all in the outer corner, because I really just want to do like a red glamorous look and mix it with some of the other colors in here. And I'll probably use a little bit of that matte black to deepen up the look, but see, it works perfect in the crease because it's a metallic, so it's going to be smooth and actually quite easy to blend out. All right, I am back, and I kind of winged it out a little bit. I took a flat shader brush and kind of filled in and made it a little bit more precise on the outer corner. But that's what I'm gonna do with the red. We are looking so shimmery and red, and I am so here for it. So I do want to lay down a little bit of glitter primer on the lower part and on my lid, just to kind of avoid the fallout. I didn't want to do that with the red because I was blending it into the crease, but I'm gonna do that off camera really quickly, and I'll be right back. All right, so I laid the glitter primer down, and I want to use Kaiser, this beautiful peach metallic, and I'm gonna use that all in the inner portion of the lid. It's so pretty and sparkly. I don't know if you guys can see the little sparkles, but this is definitely more of a true peach metallic. It's not leaning too icy, it's not leaning too orange, and it's very hard to find a true peach metallic in a palette. So I'm just laying that down wherever I put the glitter primer as my lid shade. It's going on nicely, very nicely all over the lid. So I'm gonna also go in with my finger a little bit and just tap over that. Just make sure it's fully covered. So I want to take some of Fur Babies, the green shimmer, and I want to use that all on the bottom. And I did put glitter primer there, and I'm going to just press it into the lower lash line, because of course we need to get some green into this look. And I'm just going to really push it just to try to avoid too much little fallout, because if you start swiping, it's going to drop all the glitter everywhere. Ooh, wow, that is such a sparkly, like vibrant green shimmer. I'm just gonna dust away some of that fallout. And this look is so easy to do. It's such an easy like glam look to do because we're not doing a lot of techniques, a lot of blending. So I'm gonna get a small little shader brush. This one will work. And I'm gonna use a little bit of the black matte, the dusty shade in here. I'm gonna tap off the excess, and I'm gonna use that over here and lay that kind of just right on top of the red, just to add a little bit of depth here, right on top. I wanted to use that matte because I wanted to smoke the look up a little bit and just use some of it. I do want to add a little bit of the matte black on the outer corner down here too, just to kind of connect up to the outer corner up here, just so it kind of matches, keeping the depth going. Okay, I think that black did a wonderful job at deepening up this look a little bit. It laid on that shimmer just fine. So I do want to take a little bit of Family, the shade right here, this really bright yellow shimmer, and I want to use that as a inner corner highlight. So I'm just going to go right in there and use this little pencil brush and just lay it there. I did put glitter primer in the inner corner too. I just wanted something like super bright and poppy right there. There we go. I love this. Do we want to use anything else? I could maybe add a little bit of the pink shimmer. Maybe put some of the pink here in the center. Oh yeah. Just wanted to add a little bit more. Try to use some more of the shades. I'm just gonna add shimmer right there, the little pink, where like the peach met the black. So that's all I'm going to use from the palette. I really like how this looks. I love the all shimmer look and the little bit of black in the outer corner. So I think I'm going to go off camera, do my liner, figure out something for my waterline, and figure out something for my lips, and I will be right back. Okay, so here is the finished look. I love how this turned out with all the shimmers, and sometimes I think it's fun to just get out of your comfort zone and do something different, because typically I like to use mattes in the crease, but I think it's just fine using shimmers. And I know there's people out there that do all shimmer looks all the time, but I feel like this is very fun, sparkly, very glam, and I love how it turned out, and I just had fun trying something different. But what I did off camera was I went in with the iconic lights from House of Lashes, so I wanted the look to be a little bit more dramatic and glam, and I went in with the Shockwave liner from LA Girl. It's a yellow pencil. I thought it matched really nice with the inner corner. I used the Huda liner. I used the Chanel mascara, but I'll link everything below in case you're curious. And I also used the Buxom lipstick in Fly Girl. It's a very nudie lipstick. I wanted all the attention to be really focused on the eyes, but hey, if you were doing a look like this and you wanted to go in with a bold red, I think it would still look fabulous. But that is how I completed this wonderful look. I hope you guys like it. I'm really a fan. So now I'm gonna zoom you guys out so I can give you guys my thoughts on the palette and wrap up this video. All right, lovelies, we're at the end of this video, and I had a lot of fun playing with this palette. I cannot stop staring at myself in this mirror right here that's in front of me, because it's just so sparkly, it's so reflective. I do feel like Christmas lights are literally on my eyes, and I just thought it was fun trying something different. And I really do think this palette is wonderful. I think the metallics are very foiled, very sparkly. I think they did a really good job with this formula and took it like the extra step. I feel like this is the most foiled, intense shimmers that they've ever done, and I love it. I think it's perfect for the holidays. And I love that they also included a nice deep matte black. It is very soft and silky and blendable. And I just think this is such a cute little accent palette, perfect for travel. I would definitely pair this with other palettes that have mattes in it, or like an all matte palette. And I would like pull this for the shimmers because I think they're beautiful in here. But I do also think you can create fun looks with just this palette alone. And I had a really nice time with this. I think everything about this was really cute. This would also be a really good gift to give someone, especially if they love shimmers. I just think this would be so fun to give to somebody. But that was my thoughts on this palette. I hope you guys like how this look turned out, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday season. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving if you do celebrate Thanksgiving and all that good stuff. But I would love to hear from you guys in the comments below what you thought of this video, the look. What are your plans and traditions for the holidays? I would love to hear from all of y'all. I have so much fun talking with you guys in the comments. For my Thanksgiving, I will just be home with my boyfriend. We're gonna cook a small meal, just chill, because I do have to work the day after Thanksgiving, but we are traveling for Christmas, so I'm really looking forward to that. But thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video, for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. But I do hope you guys are doing well wherever you are in the world, and just sending you so much love and light. But until next time, bye guys.